is Ghana International School, where Sports Day is always a big deal. Want to know why?
Well, this is because this is a day where parents, teachers and students can come together to enjoy some competitive sports.
Some schools offer medals and prizes. For us, participation is a reward. This year we are doing things a bit differently.
Day is happening right here on campus. There's going to be so many activities like high jump, javelin, shuttle relay, potato picking and so much more. Don't miss it.
Come watch Sir Aponsa Mensah lace up his boots and come and play in the men's match against the class of 2022.
It's going to be the first of its kind. Staff playing against the class of 2022. Date
16th February 2022.
Time
8 a.m. to 3 p.m. on the GIS field.
Yeah!